Lawn care is no longer a pain in your back with the Powermate wheeled string trimmer with edger and blower attachment combo kit. Starting easily with a manual recoil fuel delivery system, eliminate the need for excessive equipment as this versatile kit functions as a trimmer, mower, edger, and blower. Using the trimmer head attachment, quickly swivel 20 to 30 degrees right to get up close to your wall or fence while still walking the trimmer in a straight line. The head can also bevel 5 to 10 degrees right for precision edge trimming along your landscape border. The ergonomic loop grip handle features a spring-loaded paddle for thumb-actuated throttle control, while 12-inch ball-bearing wheels provide low-effort pushing and eliminate the backache associated with carrying a handheld string trimmer. The wheel design gives you superior control over the trimmer head, saving your trimmer line from unnecessary deterioration and allowing you to approach obstacles with confidence. Hills and slopes are no problem. The two-cycle engine remains well lubricated on inclines, preventing premature wear or seizing, and stay clean while cutting. The durable debris guard protects your legs from grass clippings and dirt. Choose the line that's right for your job. The multi-string trimmer head accepts the two most common trimmer lines. And thanks to the onboard trimmer guide, you can ensure your cutting swath is a perfect 17 inches every time. When done, store your extra strings in the onboard string storage compartment for safekeeping. But when the time comes, avoid the mess and stress of reloading a complicated trimmer spool. These durable strings are easy to load. Switch to the edger attachment, adjust to the 30-degree swivel position, and guide the 8-inch straight dual-edge blade with its adjustable edging depth of up to 2.5 inches to cut an edge that will leave your neighbors green with envy. When worn, the blade can be easily removed for replacement. Roll easy on dual 4.75-inch wheels, while the replaceable steel wear plate protects the unit from damage, assuring years of worry-free use. When idling, the centrifugal clutch prevents the edger from spinning, providing ultimate user safety. Install the blower attachment and unleash a debris-hurling 520 CFM of airflow and 170 mile-per-hour wind speeds for quick cleanup. A 7-inch spinner-style wheel, combined with both the swivel function of the base unit and the adjustable air outlet tube on the blower, maximizes versatility and control in directing your airflow. But when idling, the centrifugal clutch stops the blower function, preventing any unwanted airflow. So whatever your next lawn care project calls for, alleviate the hassle and back-breaking strain of handheld tools when you make your property stand out this year with the Powermate wheeled string trimmer with edger and blower attachment combo kit.